If you are facing issues on bugs on iPhone running iOS 18.2, then here are some common problems and their solutions. So let's get started. Firstly, tap on the App Store. If apps are crashing or freezing after the update, this could be due to app incompatibility or bug in the system. Then simply tap on your name in the top right corner, then scroll down and update the apps to their latest version. Then swipe up from the bottom and pause to view open apps, then swipe up on the app to close it again. Also try deleting the app and reinstalling it. After that, go back to the home screen. Then tap on the settings app available there. Scroll down and tap on the general. Now inside the general, tap on the software update option available there. Then update your software to the latest version. A simple restart after software update might resolve issues with pending updates as well. Now, simply go back to the generals, scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset option available there and tap on reset all settings. If the issue persists after trying these fixes, you may want to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for a professional diagnosis. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.